Hi, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a tour through my brand new Christmas Memories album. I have done this tutorial before. You may have seen the videos on my channel. I did a Christmas recipes album. That one has sold out. But now and that was probably a couple years ago, but now I'm came out with Christmas Memories. This is a pre-cut kit that I have created for you. All of the pieces are pre-cut except for a little fussy cutting around some stickers to add embellishment, but this whole title, that's cut out and you just paper piece that on, and you'll see as I go through the book. But all of the base pieces to create the album, the chipboard is cut for you, and the decorative pieces are cut for you as well. Everything is packaged with labels for easy assembly. So yeah, so check out that link below. It'll take you to my shop where you can pick up one of these kits. This is a limited edition. Once the kits are gone, I will not be making any more of this design. Okay, so I do want to go through and show you what I used, the collection I used. So I used Carta, and if you are familiar with this, their paper is just gorgeous. It's a really nice texture and vintage look to their papers. So we have Carta, Have a Merry Christmas collection. And I use the Tim Holtz Distress Ink Walnut Stain and the dauber as well, just to ink all of the edges. That's optional, but if you'd like to add that detailing, that's the ink that I use, so you will need that. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. So anytime you see a white piece of cardstock, like this just says 3x3 photo here, I actually sell this digital file if you want to print and make your own little stickers. I printed it on circle sticker labels, so that's in my shop. I'll link that as well. But the white cardstock is not in your kit. That is just to show you that a photo goes there. So if you're making this for someone else or even for yourself, but you're not ready to put your picture on it yet, do like I did and don't put any glue under any parts of this that will cover the photo. That way you can slip a photo. So there's no glue here or here on these pieces. And I actually use foam squares on this part. So that kind of gave it a little bit dimension there. And this is actually a belly band. And you can, let's see if I have anything. You can actually slip photos behind here as well. If you want to add that to the cover, you can. So that's a little belly band there. So here's the back and the spine. That's beautiful. And in my instructions, you get full step-by-step photographs, full color photographs, and then step-by-step written instructions to go along with that. I do not have a video of this one, so this one will just come with the printed, written, and photos for the instructions. But I'm always happy to help if you have questions. So let's go ahead. So the inside front cover, there's a little insertion point here. And then a couple of photo mats. And I forgot to count, just to tell you how many photos come here. So maybe we'll have to do a quick count at the end and see. There's some, and then this is beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be putting our pictures from this year in here. I can't wait. So pretty. And then I did use an edge punch, which I believe is in my shop. I will go ahead and link that as well for you. But you can use any EK6S deep edge punch. That's what I used. And I believe this one is called Embroidery. Isn't that pretty? So, and if you don't want to use that, you can always cut it off or maybe add something. Well, yeah, that's the part that hangs out, so I wouldn't cut it off. But that's what I use on there. I did not pre-punch. If you want me to, by request, I will punch them for you. But it's a lot of punching in here, so. But anyway, but you can pick up one of those punches or use a different deep edge punch. This comes out. Not pretty. So this is one of the fussy cuttings I was talking about. So you're going to receive a 12x12 sheet of stickers, which I can't show you because I used it. But you're going to get a 12x12 sheet of the base color cardstock for this purpose. You can add your stickers and then just cut around them and then add them on with some glue. And this. And this is really neat. So this makes it look like it's the same page because I use the same paper here. If you take these out, you can see, but it's not. So we're going to flip it. See? It's actually a whole sheet. And I love doing this, just adding a border strip. I just took this from the border strip sheet and just adding a strip here. And I matted it on the same cardstock just to give it that finished look. And when you glue it on, just use, I like to use the Designer Dries Clear by Art Glitter brand. And I just use a very thin layer right there. And that just gives you the nice little insertion point right there. And it just looks nice. I love it. So here we go. So you have a double pocket here. And of course the back for more photos. And this is a nice belly band right here. You can even add some embellishing to the belly band too. Another one. So these are 3x4 and then 4x6, 4x4. I'm not sure what size this is. I don't have my ruler near me. Oh, I already did that one. Okay, and then the back page, the last page. So this flips up. These are for 4x6 photos. Love this. And then the inside back cover, this is a pocket on the flap. And it opens up. Christmas Day 25. To all a good night. This is a sticker I added there. And there's the back. I mean, there's the inside back cover. So, okay, let me quickly go through and see how many photos. And I apologize, I should have done this before I started filming. But let's just count real fast. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting the backs too. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then inside 18, 19, 20, 21, front and back of those. And then I didn't even count here, but I would do maybe journaling or something. You could put a picture there. So 21, okay, so 22, 23. You can even fit a couple other photos if you wanted to put another insert or something. So on 23, so 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 64. Okay, so 60 plus photos in this book. So it has a 2-inch spine. The cover is 7 by 7. The pages are 6 1/4 by 6 1/4, so that your paper, you could probably even do a 6 by 6 pad out of this. Possibly. I haven't tried it, but once you have one of my kits, you have the tutorial. So you can go ahead and make more with your own stash. Whatever you have in your stash, you can make more. So don't ever throw those instructions away. So anyway, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my shop. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for updates. I try to post an update every single day. I don't know if I make it every day. I don't know if I do Sundays. But basically, if I got something new to show you, I'm going to throw it up there. So you can, I'm always working on new projects coming up. So as soon as I'm done with this one, well, I am done with this one. It launches today. I'm going to be starting another album. So I'm not sure what yet. I'm going to look and see what I've got in my stash. But yeah, and I have a lot of page kits coming out too. So every Saturday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, check out my Etsy shop. I've got something new every Saturday coming out. So thanks so much again, and have a great day.